Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Banu and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing extremely great, and if you are the one who has started following our channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your one like, one share and one subscribe is really pushing me so much forward to shoot more videos for you guys. Without wasting our time, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to address you one of the important techniques. I think if you implement in your life this one technique, from now on at least, you are going to find beautiful results in speaking English, right? So let's see what the technique I wanted to discuss with you from a very long time. So I know guys, I have already shared this technique in one of my videos. So if you have not watched that video, just go and watch out that video as well. You will come to know a lot. So the technique is nothing but just mirror method. Yes, so why I'm again advising you the technique mirror method here is because you are going to see amazing and marvelous results once if you start applying this. And how to apply mirror method in your life. Yes guys, we all know that we we blame ourselves, we give excuses ourselves that we don't have anybody and we don't have English environment around us to speak and create English environment, and we are forgetting words when we want to speak in English, and we are unable to come out from our comfort zone, and when we get any opportunity to speak in English, we are getting scared to speak English in front of public. So these all are normal problems of an English learner. Yes, I know, because I have come from this stage. So I'm telling you here, just if you have not have a habit of listening to something in English, just immediately just start listening to something in English. Yes, because in my opinion, a good listener is a good speaker. So if you don't have a habit of listening to English, just make first it as an habit of listening to in English. Just try to listen to something in English every single day. For example, if you are the person who loves watching cooking videos, just go ahead with cooking videos. And if you are the person who loves watching cricket, or else if you are the person who loves watching cartoons, or else if you are the person who loves watching blogs, just go and watch whatever according to your wish, but that should be in English. So what you have to do after watching that particular video in English, or else if you go with English movies, if not, just try to watch Telugu movies with English subtitles, so that you will come to know vocabulary, sentence formation, and you will get some command on English, because you will brainstorming in English everything, and you are creating your environment with English subtitles, or else with English movies, with English comedies, with English shows, or something or the other that you might be watching, right? So what you have to do after watching everything in English, just take a deep breath and just memorize what you have watched so far. For example, take a 8 minutes story. You have watched 8 minutes story. Imagine you have watched a story in English. And what you have to do every day, you should not miss a single day. You should do this activity every single day by standing in front of mirror. You have watched, imagine you have watched a story. And after watching that story, so if once you may not understand, and then go again watch next time, and again watch the second time, and go again third time. So what happens when you watch at least 3 times repeatedly, so you will come to know what all the characters are there in the story, and what is the main theme of that story, what is the moral of that story, and which character did you inspire from that story, and which character did you like the most in that story, and what did you like that character, and who is the villain in that story, who is the hero in that story, and what made you watch that story, and what made you impress that story. So just analyze, just memorize all this stuff in your mind after watching that story. And immediately, just if you have a habit of writing, just write some key points in a book, and just go and just stand in front of mirror, and whatever is running in your mind, just start delivering, just start retelling the story by looking at yourself into the mirror with your own words, not exactly whatever the words they have been used in that story. It doesn't matter if you use your own words, because if you keep telling such kind of stories, if you keep telling the same story with your own words, you will come to know a lot of things. For example, you started telling the same story in your own words. In between of telling your story, you have taken a long break. you have taken some pauses and you are not getting what happened in the next, immediately just come out and just watch again that story, because you will come to know, yes, yeah, I have forgotten something here and now I have watched it again, so yeah, I've got other point, so now I can add and I can start again the tell again. Now I can start the storytelling again. So you will come to know a lot of things, right? So if you do this activity continuously, if you do this activity repeatedly many a times, definitely you will find amazing results in a short period of time, because I have done this multiple times in my language learning journey. Yes, when I was like you, when I was learning this English language, I used to do this activity repeatedly. I used to go and I used to stand in front of mirror. I used to take any one of the topics, random topics, and I used to keep speaking on the topic every single day. Yes, I know there were many days where I felt very bad, where I felt really like giving up on learning this English language, where I even faced that words really didn't used to come my mind, but I did not stop myself. I only pushed myself towards my journey of speaking in English. Yes, if you start this activity, if you start doing these multiple things, if you start doing whatever you want to learn in English, there are many people who are going to stop you not to speak in English. So they are trying to pull you down. They are trying to blame you. They are trying to speak bad about you. So just ignore everything, because we are very, very, very close to 2025. We are at the end of 2024. Just realize now. If not now, when will you realize, guys? If not now, when will you realize? So there are many people who are really having a strong desire to learn this English language. Just utilize your time wisely. I'm again advising you, just start, realize now at least. Just ignore everybody, just ignore what is making you stop doing some amazing things in your life. Because I don't know whether you believe or not, but I believe in myself. Miracles do happen every single day. Once if you stay consistent, once if you keep pushing yourself forward, once if you believe in your hard work, I can say, guys, because I have seen all these transformations in my life from a very long time, because I was consistent, and I am consistent even now. I want to be consistent in my life, because if for example, if one situation comes to you and it's a very difficult situation, so because of that one situation, if you want to stop yourself from learning something, so what happened? What will you do next? That situation comes and it goes, but if you stop yourself, where will you go again? Just, it is my intention, just try to do something or the other for learning this English language. Just, if you haven't realized it yet, just do realize now. Just make your mind sharp, just make some wise decisions about your self improvement. That's it. So nobody can stop you once if you believe in yourself, once if you be consistent on learning this English language. So that's what all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys really enjoy and like this video. If you guys really do like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you with one more wonderful content in the next video. So till then, you guys know what to do. Keep exposing yourself more to English, and I will come with another video. I will see you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting our channel.